how you can cancel Vivamax subscription on your iPhone. Now, before we start, if you are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on any of our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now, let us begin. So the first thing you'll want to do is open up your App Store. And after you open your App Store, just go to your profile section. Now go to the search bar and there you will see on the top right your profile icon. Tap on it. Now after you've opened it up, just go to personalized recommendations. After you're under recommendation, just scroll down till you see subscription option. Tap on subscription option and there you will see all of your subscriptions. Now you'll see your Vivamax subscription right there. All you need to do is tap on it and cancel it. And after doing that, your Vivamax subscription will get cancelled. So yeah, that is basically it guys. Thank you for watching. That is all for the video. Stay tuned for more and bye bye. Take care.